Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our today English lesson with Atiti. I hope you like it. Stay with me. So let's get started. Today we'll discuss about like. Like. ነው የምንማረው like. I like. ብዙ ጊዜ I like ላይ ነው የምንጠቀመው። ግን at least ምን ማለት እንችላለን? I like. I really like. If you are beginner ከሆናችሁ I like. I really like. I love ማለት ትችላላችሁ። I don't. I hate. እጠላለሁ። I like ደስ ይለኛል። I really like. I love. I hate. I don't like. I don't like. I don't really like. I don't love. ማለት ትችላላችሁ። ስለዚህ I like, I really like, I love positive ነው። I like, I really like, I love plus I hate, I don't like, I don't really like, I don't love። እዚህ ጋር ምን እናደርጋለን? I like ካላችሁ በኋላ noun ወይ ደግሞ noun ማለት music. I like music. I really like music. I like tea or coffee. Nouns music, coffee, soccer, ኳስ soccer ማለት ትችላላችሁ። noun music, coffee, soccer። ስለዚህ noun ተጠቅማችሁ መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። ወይም ደግሞ verb ingዎችን verb plus verb ing verb ing ሙዚክ የሚለው I like listening music. I like listening music. I like drinking coffee. I like drinking coffee. So, I like music. I really like music. I love music. I hate music. I don't like music. I don't really like music. I don't love music. You can say I like listening music. I really like listening music. I love listening music. Or you can say I like drinking coffee. I really like drinking coffee. I love drinking coffee. Or you can say if you don't like it, ማትወድ ከሆነ ደግሞ I hate drinking coffee. I don't like drinking coffee. I don't love drinking coffee. Soccer ከሆነ playing ነው። playing soccer. So I like playing soccer. ስለዚህ I ማለት ትችላላችሁ። we አንድ ናቸው። we, you, they እነዚህ አንድ ነው። I, we, you, they. Or you can say my brothers. My brothers. They. My brothers like music. My brothers hate music. Or my brother like listening music. ስለዚህ ይሄንን ማለት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ከሂ ከሺ ጋር ደግሞ እንዴት ነው የምንጠቀመው ነው? ከሂ ከሺ ጋር ደግሞ he she it ከነዚህ ጋር ደግሞ likes likes he really likes he really likes he loves he really loves I really hate really መጠቀም እንችላለን። ይሄ I really he likes he really likes he loves he really loves he hates he hates he doesn't really like he doesn't really like he doesn't love he doesn't really love what you are saying. So the same things we use here. He likes, he really likes, he loves, he hates, he doesn't really like. S ይጠፋል እዚህ he doesn't really like, he doesn't really love እዚህ ጋርም he doesn't really love. what noun መጠቀም እንችላለን። noun ማለት ስም ማለት ነው። music, coffee, soccer ኳስ ማለት ነው። music, rock music, pop music, metal music, playing tennis, athletics, music, coffee, soccer. verb plus verb ing, verb plus verb ing ደግሞ መጠቀም እንችላለን። verb plus ing ማለት listening music ቀደም ላለው he doesn't really like listening music, listening music, watching TV, playing soccer, so he likes listening music, he likes watching TV, he likes playing soccer. So what you have to know, like with noun or like with verb plus verb ing. This is for beginner. For beginner. So this is for beginners. For beginners ነው እንግዲህ ለጀማሪዎች ነው እንግዲህ እንደዚህ አይነት። ስለዚህ ለኢንተርሚዲየትስ ምን እንላለን የሚለውን ደግሞ በቀጣይ እናያለን። Thank you very much. See you next time.